There's at least one guy over here on the left. Yeah. I hear him shooting at someone. There's guys over there flanking around. At least three. At least three. Stay here. Get hit?
Yeah.
Okay. He got me in the top of the head. I heard it hit my helmet. Huh? Are we allowed to respawn? Are there medics? Who's a medic on our team?
Anybody. That's why I said it was medics.
Oh, well, I'll just stay here. Here, I'll move over here. I didn't realize it was medics.
So you just count to 10. 1,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's like 10 of them. Let's look to the left side.
Come here, come here, come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. You're definitely, you're 1,000% hit, brother. 1,000% hit. A guy right there, 1,000% hit. No. Well, I'm dead. Whatever. There's no one here. They're flanking you guys. They're here. One guy isn't calling us hit even though I shot him like 5 fucking times. Guess I'll go this way. What's going on up here? What color are you? Are you blue?
Yeah, we're blue.
I don't see armbands.
Well, we are blue. I'm trying to catch a balloon.
Where's that guy's armbands at? Do you have any on?
Fall off your arm?
Do you have armbands, bro?
It was tape. I swear to God.
Sorry, because I was about to shoot you. I was like, what team are you on?
I got tape in the Kubota.
You're good. You're good. I wasn't sure who you were.
I don't know how. Hey, watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
What's up?
Get back! Get back!
Oh, there's a guy right there. Got it. Well,
One, two,
thank you, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you.
Hit! Hit!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got one. He's hit. Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Okay. I got the one guy right here that was shooting us. He's just standing right there. Yeah. They're through this bush here. We need to back up, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, let's
Come
back up.
on, white team, let's get a move on.
They're like right there. I mean, right in these bushes here.
Hit!
1, 2,
Medic life.
3.
One
Four,
medic life.
5.
You already
6.
revived him.
Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. Back up, back up, back up. Hello. They're pushing from over here.
Yeah, they're in that blue building.
I know. I can't get through.
Definitely shot a guy running in. Oh, shit. We can't push it.
What's going on here, guys? Where are we getting?
Everybody that gets to that corner, that little turn, gets killed. So I think
So they're-
on the
they're
left side of the building,
So they're holding that down there, huh?
they're supposed to be charging news too.
Wait, we're the defenders, aren't we?
Yeah, they're
So who fucking cares? Yeah, let's stay here. Yeah, let's not push them then.
they're not pushing.
Oh, who cares? We're doing our job.
I don't even know what window to see.
Something's popping off over here. What do you see? You See someone? Where at? Blue building? Or the? Huh.
Come on, brother. Integrity game, my dude. Integrity game.
Beavers, watch that left side that you're looking at. They're pushing.
I'm gonna cross across here in a sec. Let me know when you're ready for me to cross. There's one over that way to your right. Just be careful. There was one guy shooting at me in the bush slightly over there. Just be careful.
I'm sorry, say that again, over. You're coming in really muffled. Sorry.
Did you get hit?
You got hit?
No. That guy did over there.
Oh, okay. Okay, come with me.
Go. Hit.
Dead man walking, dead man.
Dead man walking.
I got him.
They're starting to push.
Beaver, check your right. Or check your left. They're coming in. On your. Oh, he's fucking dead.
White team, you now have 10 minutes to get that first objective. I'll add more time as necessary, but right now you have 10 minutes.
What happened?
having issues
I'm
too.
fucking shooting all sorts of fucking people, and none of these dudes are calling shit, man.
Yeah, no, that white team's not calling it.
So turn around right now.
Hey, y'all want to do the push? I was just behind him.
I'm trying to push back, but
Oh, I went through Hayfield, killed about 5 of them, sitting back to respawn, came all the way fucking around.
I'll come with you guys.
Hey, we do have to respawn at 17 though. Doc is,
or like
Doc
count
is
to
watching.
30, you know, this is about 30 seconds.